This is a re-review of a porta potty here that's at a new housing subdivision here in Raleigh, North Carolina. They're just now starting to get the lots sold and should see the first home come soon here. So this porta potty's been repositioned. It was sitting on the hill over there. It's a ready light. A lot of traffic here. Let's go inside and check it out. And it looks like it was last cleaned June 2nd. I think the last time I looked at this might have been early January or December, if it's the same one. Smells okay in here. The urinal looks dirty. Looks like we got some toilet paper sitting there on the lid somebody used. It's got one of these big roll spools here. Got one spool in there. Don't see any graffiti. It actually doesn't smell bad. That is the vent pipe. Little toilet paper on the floor here. All in all, it looks pretty good. Kind of got a fence here. Can't get around the side. A lot of traffic here. But overall, I give it a big thumbs up for this new subdivision here.